Arterial blood supply for the lower extremity begins with the continuation of external iliac artery passing under the inguinal ligament. The artery then changes its name and becomes the femoral artery. Femoral artery travels anterior in the femoral triangle. Then, femoral artery travels anterior to the femoral region, the thigh. Then, immediately before reaching the anterior aspect of the knee, femoral artery passes through adductor hiatus canal and then changes direction to travel to the posterior aspect of the knee. At this point, the name changes and the femoral artery is now called the popliteal artery. After popliteal artery passes the level of the knee, it branches into two branches, the anterior and posterior tibial arteries. The anterior tibial artery travels anterior to the leg. Then, after passing the level of the anterior ankle, it changes its name and becomes the dorsalis pedis artery. The posterior tibial artery stays and travels posterior to the leg. At the posterior ankle, it eventually gives rise to three branches, medial and lateral plantar arteries, and the fibular artery.